Hello everyone, welcome to another video lesson about factoring. Today we are going to factor a perfect square trinomial. Before we will have our topic, we need to review some vocabulary. Perfect squares are numbers or expressions that are the product of a number or expression multiplied to itself. For example, 9 times 9 is 81. So 81 is a perfect square and the square root of 81 is 9. X squared times x squared is x raised to the 4th. So x raised to the 4th is a perfect square and the square root of x raised to the 4th is x squared. Let us take a look at the table of some square root. The square root of 196 is 14. The square root of 361 is 19. Now, let us know on how to get the square root of a variable. For example, what is the square root of x raised to 8? When we are getting the square root of a variable, we usually divide the exponent by 2. So, 8 divided by 2 is 4. So, the square root of x raised to 8 is x raised to 4. How about the square root of x raised to 13? The exponent 13 is not divisible by 2, so x raised to 13 is not a perfect square. Now, let us identify what is a perfect square trinomial. We can say that the given example is a perfect square trinomial if, condition number 1, the first and third terms must be positive. Condition number 2, the first and third terms must be perfect squares. Condition number 3, when you multiply 2 to the product of the square root of the first and third terms, it must be equal to the second term. For example, x squared plus 6x plus 9. Is this perfect square trinomial? Let us check. First condition, does the first and the third terms are positive? Yes, x squared and 9 are both positive. Second condition, does the first and third term have perfect squares? Yes. So the square root of x squared is x and the square root of 9 is 3. Third condition, let us multiply 2 to the square root of the first and the third terms. So 2 times x times 3 is equal to 6x. Thus your answer is equal to the second term. Yes. Therefore, x squared plus 6x plus 9 is a perfect square trinomial.